Okay, got the keys in. It's up on the clutch. Move this stuff out of the way. Choke. Starter's on the floor. Starts right up. Half a tank. Oh, started right up. Oh, left the choke in. Voltage works. That's the oil pressure going up. That's the voltage. Okay. Oh, flooded it. Come on. We got to do the carb. Okay, got it started up. Oil gauge works, battery's charging, quarter tank of gas, 84,372 original miles. Now the temp gauge is stuck on high, so it's not working, and the lights do not work, but I'm going to fix those before I start driving it. We're not sure if anybody knows what in the heck that does. I don't know. Parking brake, reverse. That's your pull for reverse. And then the wiper. I believe it's on and off. Only one moves though. So I'm not quite sure. This one moves. There's a motor assembly up on this side. There's not on this side, and that may be the button for the other side. Headliner needs to be replaced, obviously. All the sheet metal inside the cab is perfect. Again, both windows roll up and down. Both doors do open and close. This piece of metal is just a test piece for clearing the patina. I just wanted an extra piece of metal. And then here's the battery cover. Everything in this truck is just incredibly perfect. Perfect.